dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Jody Janelle, and if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscription button below so you can join the family. Stay a while, you just might like it. And for all my subscribed dolls, thank you so much for all the love and support. So today I'm going to be showing you guys another wash day routine featuring the Creme of Nature Pure Honey line. I'm going to be using the full collection, so I'll be able to give you guys a full review on the products. So let's jump right into the routine. I'm going to get my hair nice and wet and apply the moisturizing dry defense shampoo. And depending on how my hair is feeling as far as build up, I'll lather my hair anywhere from 2 to 3 times. And this shampoo did have a nice thick milky consistency to it, so it did give my hair a nice lather. And I always use my trusted and true shampoo brush every wash day. It really does help to remove buildup from my scalp and stimulate blood flow to improve hair growth. So this shampoo really did do a good job at cleansing my hair, removing all the buildup without making my hair feel stripped, which I love. So after a few lathers with the shampoo, I'm going to go in with the Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask, and I'm going to be mixing it with some organic virgin coconut oil just to add some more moisture to my hair. My hair dries out really fast, so I'll take all the moisture I can get. So this hair mask also had a really nice creamy consistency to it. The entire line is infused with pure honey, natural coconut oils, and shea butter. So this collection is supposed to target dry, dehydrated hair and provide essential moisture, softness, smoothness where the hair needs it without weighing it down. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair into 4 parts to apply the hair mask. I'm going to add a generous amount to my wet hair, starting from my roots all the way to the end. And I'm really going to try to concentrate on any dry or damaged area, but also making sure my hair is fully saturated all the way through. So every single wash day I try to do some kind of hair mask or treatment on my hair, and for a really deep condition you can sit under a hooded dryer for a deep steam. But today I'm going to be trying a thermal deep conditioning cap I found in Marshall's the other day for under $5, and it's made of this really thick foil material. It's supposed to trap natural heat generated by your scalp to help deep condition your hair. So I wore this cap for about 30 minutes and I did feel the warmth from my scalp when I took it off. It did a pretty good job at holding in the heat from my scalp, which I thought was pretty cool. My hair did feel really soft, clean, and it had a nice detangled slip to it. But to be honest, I have used other hair masks in the past that left my hair feeling just a lot more conditioned and moisturized. I mean, it wasn't a bad mask. I'm definitely going to finish using all the product, but I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase it in the future. So after I rinse out the hair mask, I'm going to be going in with the conditioner just to help comb detangle my hair. And I'm going to section the same way into 4 quads. And when I comb detangle, I always start from the ends of my hair and I slowly move up to the mid shaft. So after I rinse my hair and I towel dry for a few minutes, I'm going to go in with a generous amount of the breakage leave-in conditioner to add extra moisture and help protect against breakage. And once I get a nice coat of that all throughout my hair, I'm going to be going in with some As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Castor Oil water. I love using this water on my wash days. It has a really pleasant smell, and to be honest, I love using any product that has castor oil in it. So on my hair journey, I'm really trying to limit any direct heat I put on my hair. So I'm always roller setting my hair on my wash days. So if you guys are interested in seeing my roller set routine, I'm going to link that video down below for you. So that's it for this wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to link all the products I used today down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products or what you're currently using in your hair that you're enjoying. I'd love to get some of your recommendations to maybe use in a future wash day routine. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!